screens?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. Sure. Chapter 7 Mathematics. The name of the chapter is Data Handling. Okay. Now, in the first topic of data handling, you all know what do you mean by telemarks. The first thing,
Yes.
name of the chapter will be data handling. Again, it's not working. I don't know what's wrong today. Can you just wait? Just wait, please. Now, class 7. Chapter number 3. The name of the chapter is data handling. Okay, boys, are you able to see my screen to your screens?
Yes, sir.
Okay, we are in introduction. All right.
Yes.
Anybody has any doubt with this? Data handling means data to be collected. We already studied this in sixth standard. This chapter was being discussed in sixth standard. You already did went through with this chapter. There is nothing new in this. Okay. Data means what? Data is a formal information what can be collected from each and everywhere of our things. If, for example, if I tell Zohar Abbas, if I tell Muhammad Fazil, please collect the data of the whole class of 70 about the height and weight. So from roll number 1 to 60, the number of students we have in the class. So you, what you will do, you will write a roll number 1 to 60, and you will be uh, just noting down the height and the weight, and you will be submitting to me, right? Are you getting the point? So that is known as data. Data can be collected, observed, analyzed, and then it can be presented in a particular way. So the data, what is collected, is known as the information. What is collected is known as data, and the way that has been presented is known as handling. Is that clear about data handling, boys? Is that all clear
Yes.
about the point data handling? So now in this point, we have to study about tally marks. What do you mean by tally marks? Can anyone tell me? આ ટોપિક પણ આવી ગયો છે આપણે 6th સ્ટાન્ડર્ડમાં.
Tally marks is an table where
Tally
we can
marks. We have
where
to
we can
study
note.
about the topic of tally marks. Chalo. We
Tally
have to
marks is
prepare
a
a table,
table
that's for sure. Yes, we have to prepare a table. In that
where we
table,
can
we have, yes, in that table, what we have to
where
do,
we can uh, uh, introduce or know the marks of every piece.
okay, so what we have to do in this tally marks, we have to simply, if for example, the datas are given like this, 5, 7, sorry, wait. 5, 7, 7, 6, 4, 5, 5, 8, 8, 9. The datas are like this. If the datas are given like this and they ask us to place in a tally mark, so what will be the process to form a tally mark? Telemarking belongs to C. Again, I'm telling telemark is belongs to, if you want to write 1, it will be described as capital I. How it will be described? Capital I. If you want to write 2, it will be 2 marks. If you want to write 3, it will be 1, 2, and 3 capital I. If you want to write 4, it will be 1, 2, 3, and 4. This marking is known as telemarks. Okay. If you want to write 5, it will be formed as 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1 cross diagonally. That's confirmed as 5. Then 6. If you want to write 6, 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, 5 will be a diagonal one. Then 6 will be next to it. 7. 7 will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then 6 and 7. How to write 8? 8 will be considered as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. How
Yes.
to write 9? Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Again, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Again, 1 cross diagonal. This is your 10. Understood the concept? Whenever we are having 5, that means it will be one bunch of telemark. Got it? 10 and 11. Are you getting my point? How we have to follow? These are the marking of telemark. These marks are known as telemarking. What it is been known as? Telemarking.
Max.
Understood?
Yes.
Understood or not?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Okay, very good. Chalo. Now the main point what we have to come up is we have to follow. See, if for example these are the marks given here for 10 students. These are the marks given here for 10 students. 3, 3, 6, 3, 9, and 1, 10. 10 marks test was there for mathematics, and there were 10 children who appear the test. Okay. Now we have to just mark out that in the form of telemarks. Is that clear? So what we have to do, first of all, it is the subject as marks. Subject શું છે? Marks છે આપણા 10 marks ના. Say yes or no.
Yes.
So it will be, first column will be of marks, second will be of telemark, and the third column will be frequency. What it will be? Frequency. Okay.
Frequency.
Yes, we can say frequency as a number of students. That is also correct. That I'll come and tell you. Now I will be having 3 different columns right here. One is telemarks, one is frequency, and we have to prepare the same format for all the telemarks. Huh? This will be compulsory, and this column we are having marks at the present moment, but it can be contained as any subject. Whatever subject it will be, we have to place that over there. Okay, boys? समझ पड़े छे के नहीं?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Now this is the format what we have to follow. We all got this table how to form,
Yes.
Yes.
boys? Okay, chalo. Now marks we have. We have marks from smallest number is 4. and the biggest number is 9. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we will write here 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. We got this formation. Now 4.
Yes.
4 number 4 is how many times? You check this data.
One time.
One time. So we will mark a tally mark as 1. So how many number of students got 4 mark in this?
One.
One student. So in frequency, we will write 1 student. Then 5. 5 how many times?
Three.
3 times. So tally marks we will place 1, 2,
Two.
and 3.
Three.
So how many number of students got 5 marks?
Three. We have to write frequency 3.
3, yes. Then 6 how many times? 6.
1.
In tally mark we have to place 1 here. And how many number of students we got 6 marks? 1 student. Understood the concept?
Yes,
7 how
sir.
many number of times? 7 repeated.
2.
So telemarking 2 times. Okay? The number of student got 7 mark is 2. Then 8.
Two.
So again 2 telemarked and number of students we got as 8. Then 9.
1.
Now if you total, first of all, how many number of students we were having data of total? Total કેટલા સ્ટુડન્ટ નો ડેટા છે આ બોયસ
Hi.
હે
Yes.
how many number of students are there કેટલા સ્ટુડન્ટ્સ નો ડેટા છે આપણી પાસે 10 students. So total of frequency will be your 10. That's for sure. What will be the total of frequency? 10. If you count 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 2, 7 plus 2, 9, 9 plus 1, 10. You got your frequency total 10. That means your data is almost marked in tally correctly.
Yes.
That means our sum is over. Have you understood the first topic about telemarking?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt with this concept, beta?
No, sir.
Yes,
If,
sir.
for
sir.
example, huh? Hello? કોણ બોલ્યું ઈ?
Rajan.
બોલો શું હતું શું ડાઉટ છે બેટા
સર પહેલા ડાઉટ હતો પછી સમજાઈ ગયું.
સમજાઈ ગયું if for example 4 is 3 times 4 is for example chalo 6 times આપણે example લઈએ 6 times so what you will do 1 2 3 4 and 5 and 1 6 if this is of 7 times instead of 3 times so what you will do 4 times then 5 times 6 and 7 સરનું સરખું નથી થતું હા આમાં એરર છે ને એટલે 4 and 5 times 6 and 7 are you understanding the concept
Yes.
what we have to follow if 6 is of 10 times what you will do 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 that's it if this is of 12 times then again 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 are you getting how to work on boys
Yes.
this data is given only of single line for an example of 10 students but the data will be much more in the countings near about 30 25 40 data must be given are you getting my point we have to adjust this in this format સબ્જેક્ટ this માર્ક્સ નથી લખવાના એવરી ટાઈમ. આ તો માર્ક્સ એટલે લખ્યું છે કેમ કે અહીંયા માર્ક્સ આપેલા છે ક્વેશ્ચનમાં, બરાબર. ધ સબ્જેક્ટ વિલ બી ધેર. અહીંયા શું આવશે? સબ્જેક્ટ. સબ્જેક્ટ કેન બી એનીથિંગ, બરાબર ને? It can be height, weight, marks, and over here you can write along with frequency the number of person. આમાં છે number of students, right? આમાં શું છે? Number of students છે boys.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
સમજ પડે છે કે નહીં?
Ha.
Yes. Yes.
ઓકે, ચલો. So we are cleared with our first topic name, telemarks. Okay, we are moving to the next topic. Next topic is okay, range, mean, median, and mode. These are 4 different topics what is covered in one single desk right now. Chalo, what do you mean by range? Who will tell me what is range? Can anyone in the class?
Yes, sir. Long range, short range, medium range,
Range is the difference between the difference between the highest term and the lowest term of given data. Range એટલે શું boys? Range means the difference between the highest term and the lowest term of the given data. If the data is given, what we have to do? Highest minus lowest. Any doubt? Which gives us range. સમજાય છે કે નથી સમજાતું? If for example, again I give you 3, 6, 9, 2, 4, 8, then 7, 5, sorry, again 7, again 6, again 3, again 4, and again 6. These are the data given here. Okay, boys? Now, if we want to find a range, what is the range of the given data? So check out from this data which one is the smallest term. हमारी smallest term કઈ છે? Nobody is aware of this. Data આપેલો તોય ખબર નથી પડતી કે નાની ટર્મ કઈ છે?
Sir, 3.
એમ?
No, 2.
And what is the greatest term?
Nine.
9. So highest term is 9 and lowest term is 2. So the range is 7. The range of the given data is what? The range of the given data. Have you all understood?
Yes.
So the highest term minus lowest term of the given data is the range of a particular data. Is that clear, boys? Have you all understood about range?
Yes.
Any doubt with this?
No.
No, sir.
For sure, no doubt.
Yes.
The spelling of the range is RANGE. Huh? Sir, અહીંયા E લગાડતા ભૂલી ગયા છે. Make sure of it.
Okay.
Have you all got the content about range? Any doubt with this? Who will
No,
tell me
sir.
what do you mean by range? Can anyone tell me? Nobody from the class. Muhammad Zaki, Wakil Asaria, Muhammad Fazil Asaria, Zohair Abbas, Rajani Ali Asgar, Abdul Rahman.
Yes, sir. Don't know.
Sorry? શું બોલ્યો ફઝીલ?
Yes, sir.
You will be able to tell me what do you mean by range? Range, I explain you right now. Hello?
Yes, sir.
I explained you right now. Who will tell me what do you mean by range?
The difference between the highest term and the lowest term.
Yes, is known as range. That means lowest term will be subtracted from highest term. Very good, beta. Kazim, very good. Now, what do you mean by mean? Can anyone tell me what do you mean by mean? કોઈને ધ્યાન પડશે mean? We can say as an average. Mean આપણે average પણ કહી શકાય. Okay, boys. In other words, we can say this average. What is the formula to find the mean? There is one step that we have to follow to find the mean. The sum of all the observation upon number of observation. What is the formula to find the mean? The sum of all the observation upon number of observation. Have you all understood this statement? Boys, are you all getting this statement? What I mean?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I'll explain you what does it mean. If, for example, again, the data are given like this: 4, 2, and 3. Chal. 4, 2, and 3. These are the data given here. Okay. So what does it mean? How to find the mean of the given data? So mean of the given data is followed with this formula: the sum of all the observation. That means we have to sum out all the observations. So 4 plus 2 plus 3. Any doubt here? Upon Number of observation. How many observations do we see here? How many numbers we see here? Boys,
4, 2,
how
and
many
3.
numbers do we see here? Total કેટલા number છે?
3.
3.
Number of observations are 3. The 4, 2 and 3. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 divided by 3, which gives us 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9. So what is the average we got? What is the mean we got for the given data? The mean of the given data is 3. Have you all understood the concept about mean? So how many topics have we studied up till here? We studied tally marks, we studied range, and we studied about mean. Any doubt with this?
No, sir.
What, sir?
We studied total 3 topics from this chapter, data handling. First is what? We studied tally marks,
Marks,
Remarks.
range,
Then,
and average.
range, and
Average.
એવરેજ નથી. એવરેજ તો આપણે કેવા પૂરતું છે કે આ તમને સમજવા પૂરતું લખ્યું છે. એવરેજ આપણે નથી ભણ્યા.
To mean.
What we studied?
Mean.
Mean. Yes, we studied about mean of the given data, and this chapter is very easy chapter and very scoring chapter. If you will be finding, if you will not be attentive in the class, that's for sure you will lose the marks, and I don't want any child to lose the marks in this chapter. જે આખી ટેક્સ્ટબુકમાં જે 2 થી 3 ચેપ્ટર જેટલા ઈઝીમાં ઈઝી છે ને એમાંનો સૌથી ઈઝી ચેપ્ટર છે ડેટા હેન્ડલિંગ. આટલું યાદ રાખજો.
પાસરી કબા સાથ લગી
શું કહું
ઘણી
છું?
વખત એમ.
શું કહું છું કે સૌથી ઈઝી ચેપ્ટર છે એટલું યાદ રાખજો આખી ટેક્સ્ટબુકમાં.
ઓકે સર.
જે 2-3 ચેપ્ટર જે ઈઝી છે એમાંનો એક ચેપ્ટર આ છે, સમજી લેજો. So it's better than not to lose marks. Only 5 to 7 topics are there. E cover થઈ જાય એટલે આપણો ચેપ્ટર આખો પૂરો થઈ જાય છે. So we covered 3 topics. I want you all in homework to refer all these topics what we studied in the class one time at home. Okay?
ઓકે સર.
Chalo, do take care of yourself, take care of your health very well. In our next lecture, I'll start and continue from mid-end. And I will work on board. I'll try to work on board for you all. Okay?
ઓકે સર.
For the
ઓકે.
explanation part.
Okay,
Chalo.
Khuda
Have a
Hafiz,
nice
sir.
time.
Bye.
Do take care of yourself. Take care of your health very well.
ખુદા હાફિઝ
Have a
સર.
nice
બાય.
day. Khuda Hafiz, beta. Khuda Hafiz, everyone.